from that overlook, dude, you can see both sides of the park simultaneously. I really haven't, dude.
So what mile is this on the trail? 1 mile. Oh, well then definitely.
Can you do me a favor and get a picture for me?
Hmm?
All right.
My phone is actually like spazzing out a little bit because it's so cold.
Yeah.
That goose, let him go. Yeah, that's a good idea. That would not be a fun time having to go the rest of the way back.
No.
Taking a shortcut through.
Took an ice bath. I'm like,
That's crazy.
It's a figurative.
He wants to watch.
Figurative language. Figurative language.
These mountains.
It's a metaphor.
Hello,
The thing
geese.
is like building itself.
How you doing back there, Chief?
She's fine.
You're almost there.
Yes.
You're almost there. We've made it to the other side. We took a shortcut through town.